Hi and welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through a proof of concept for a KYC and AML screening engine designed specifically for SaaS platforms operating across multiple jurisdictions. The goal: automatically screen new users against global PEP, politically exposed person, and sanctions lists during onboarding, ensuring regulatory compliance without adding friction to the user experience. Here's a high-level look at the architecture. Azure Logic Apps orchestrates the flow from receiving user data to calling external AML APIs. Microsoft Purview handles the classification and governance of sensitive user data. Azure Table Storage stores the screening results, whether flagged or clean, for transparency and auditing. Together, these components create a scalable, automated compliance workflow. Here's how the screening process works in real time. When a new user signs up, a Logic app is triggered by an HTTP request. The payload includes key user information such as full name, date of birth, and gender. This data is then sent to the DiliSense API, which checks global databases for PEP or sanctions matches. The API response is parsed, and we evaluate the total hits field. If hits are greater than 0, the data is logged in Azure Table Storage. An alert email is sent to the compliance officer. If hits are equal to 0, the result is still logged and marked as clean to maintain a complete audit trail. Let's look at the logging mechanism. Whether or not a match is found, all results are logged into Azure Table Storage. Each log entry includes name, date of birth, match, status, PAP, sanctioned or clean, timestamp of screening. This structured logging allows fast querying, exporting to analytics tools, and ensures audit readiness. To enforce compliance and visibility, we use Microsoft Purview for data governance. Here's what we've configured. First, we registered the Azure Storage account as a data source in Purview. Then, we granted the necessary permissions to Purview's managed identity. Next, we performed a scan to detect and classify sensitive fields such as name, date of birth, and nationality. These classifications help us comply with regional data protection laws like GDPR, POPIA, and NDPA by showing where personal data is stored and how it flows. To summarize, this video demonstrates how Azure native tools can power a seamless, low-code KYC, AML compliance engine. Azure Logic Apps automates the onboarding checks. Azure Table Storage keeps a tamper-proof log. Microsoft Purview enforces data classification and governance. The architecture is scalable, cost-effective, and can easily integrate with analytics platforms like Power BI, or be extended for continuous monitoring and audit workflows. This is just the beginning. With Azure's flexible tools, you can scale compliance from onboarding to ongoing monitoring and across global jurisdictions. Thanks for watching the video. Until next time, stay secure and compliant.